To me, it seems that this border conflict between India and Nepal, the way it has been raised at this point of time, is a fallout of what is happening between India and China in the northeastern borders, and at the global level, what is happening between USA, America, and China, and also other Western countries. So I see this as a fallout of like the multiple forms of conflict that's emerging in the coming days, and. At Nepal, this which has been the policy. I mean, we know this, the policy of China, the way it has acted in Sri Lanka and in Pakistan, and of course, China is stretching its hands, to Nepal also, so that it can have greater say or greater control in the South Asian region, and of course, to also how can it shape its conflict with India in terms of economy, in terms of politics, in terms of regional influence as well as global influence. That's what I feel about it. Otherwise, I don't see any reason. I mean, the way the government, blown this issue, like which is very old, like more than 60 years old, and there are varying interpretation, varying different evidences about this, northwestern border issue between India and Nepal, and. So this could have been resolved, peacefully, because there was already an agreement between the Indian foreign minister and the Nepalese foreign minister in the year 2014 that the dispute of Kalapani and Susta, they will discuss, I mean, resolve it through dialogue. But then all of a sudden, like when India released its new map, after that, this has emerged as a very important issue, let me say, in Nepal.